Hello, and welcome to 2826 Iowa, here in the Benton Park West neighborhood of St. Louis. This home was built in 1910. Although, as you can see, it carries with it many of the stylistic elements that have been used for about the 20-30 years prior. It's about 2,100 square feet, currently set up as 3-bedroom, and believe it or not, this house had been owned by the same owner until it sold in 1991. Now, when I saw that, I have to assume that they mean the child of the original owner, unless the house was owned by a 110-year-old person or something like that. But regardless, it's been in the family for a long time. However, as we come inside, it's been significantly updated for today's buyer. Inside, we have an open floor plan. Ventless fireplace. Plank flooring throughout on this level. And flexible space here, allowing living and dining to be configured however needed. I do like the exposed brick as well. This is one of those houses that it's hard to tell if it was always a single family or it may have been a 2-family. My assumption is if it was owned by a family for as long as it was a single family for all of its life, but these houses went through many iterations over the years. I have a powder room here. Small bedroom here, or an office. I think this is actually a 4-bedroom house, if this is counting as a bedroom. And then we have a kitchen. 42-inch cabinets, and then making use of these high ceilings, we also have range of glass cabinets above those. Tile backsplash and quartz countertops. Great range of cabinetry. And a 3-person island as well. Coming outside, we have a rear deck here, and it's set up with a privacy wall against the next door neighbor. And then we have a backyard ready for the new owner's vision, with a city carport and oversized concrete extending out beyond the carport to allow for door opening, which is quite important and makes a difference on these. Looking back at the rear of the house, you can see what looks like the original porch up there, and then you can see here, this might have been a 2-family when I look at it from this angle, because you do have that extra door that's been bricked up there, which lines up with what could have been a rear staircase. Now again, looking at the brickwork, it's hard to tell, but that definitely looks like it was likely a door opening, because we have the original basement stairs descending from this wall going down. So if we were to take where that door is and draw a line up, that could have been a second door going to the upstairs. Let's take a look upstairs now, going up the real staircase. It's always fun trying to figure out the mysteries of these old homes' previous lives and how they were configured. So up on this floor we have 3 good-sized bedrooms, in addition to the office downstairs. Large room in front here. Again, very high ceilings. Windows have all been updated. And then we have the main bathroom here. Bathtub tiled to the ceiling. Vanity and toilet. Bedroom number 2. This one would be the smaller of the 3, but it's still, by modern standards, a good-sized room. You could still fit a queen or indeed a king-size bed in here and still have room for some furniture. And the basement's really just for service at the moment, for furnace and whatnot, or actually, and pipes and what have you, because we have a second floor laundry, and then there's also the split system there for the air conditioning and heat for this upstairs. And then we have the owner's suite here, which is an exceptionally large room. With many bonus features. So again, very high ceilings, LED ceiling lights, and then we have a luxury bathroom, a vessel tub, and oversized shower area. Let me show the base because it's hard to really get the view of it. So here in the bathroom, the bathtub fits inside the shower. And obviously we have a vanity over here as well. All well tiled. And with good quality tile work as well. That's always a nice thing to see when the grout lines are nice. And then we have a walk-in closet. Some window. And last, we have a private terrace for the owner. And again, this is, aside from the addition of that privacy wall, very much what would have been here before. You can see what's likely the original porch roof. What would have been a basic 2-story porch, probably for hanging laundry and what have you. But over time, we like to use them for relaxing more than we like to hang laundry outside. So there we go. That's 2,100 square feet, and the house uses it quite well. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, let us know if there's any other properties you'd like to see. Thank you.